About Apriso. This medication is used to treat a certain bowel disease, ulcerative colitis. It helps to reduce symptoms of ulcerative colitis such as diarrhea, rectal bleeding, and stomach pain. Mesalamine belongs to a class of drug known as aminosalicylates. It works by decreasing swelling in the colon. Indications. Apriso capsules are indicated for the maintenance of remission of ulcerative colitis in patients 18 years of age and older. How to use. Take this medication by mouth with or without food as directed by your doctor, usually once daily in the morning. Swallow the capsules whole. Do not chew or crush the capsules or take the drug with antacids. Use this medication regularly to get the most benefit from it. To help you remember, take it the same time each day. The recommended dose for maintenance of remission of ulcerative colitis in adult patients is 1.5 grams for Apriso capsules, orally once daily in the morning. Apriso may be taken without regard to meal. Apriso should not be co-administered with antacids. An evaluation of renal function is recommended before initiating therapy with Apriso. Tell your doctor if your condition does not improve or if it worsens. Precautions. Before taking mesalamine, tell your doctor or pharmacist if you are allergic to it, or to other aminosalicylates, such as balsalazide, ulcilazane, or to salicylates, such as aspirin, or to sulfalazane, or if you have any other allergies. This product may contain inactive ingredients, which can cause allergic reactions or other problems. Talk to your pharmacist for more details. Before using this medication, tell your doctor or pharmacist your medical history, especially of kidney disease, liver disease, stomach blockage, such as pyloric stenosis. What are side effects of Apriso? Common side effects of Apriso include diarrhea, headache, nausea, vomiting, gas, fever, sore throat, flu symptoms, runny stuffy nose, stomach cramps or upset, constipation, dizziness, tight feeling or skin rash. Storage. Store at room temperature, away from light and moisture. Do not store in the bathroom. Keep all medications away from children and pets.